Skyrocket your business in 2025. 5 secrets to explosive growth. Yo, what's good, hustlers? Welcome back to Businessuper, where we turn dreams into dollars. Today, I am hitting you with 5 mind-blowing secrets to explode your business growth in 2025. We're talking more customers, bigger profits, and a brand that screams success. This isn't fluff, this is the real deal, and I'm dropping it all in the next few minutes. Plus, there's a game-changer bonus tip at the end you cannot miss, so lock in, grab your coffee, and let's make your business unstoppable. First secret: obsess over your audience. I'm not talking surface-level stuff, I mean know them deeper than their own mom does. What's their biggest struggle? What gets them hyped? If you're selling fitness gear, are you vibing with stressed out dads needing quick workouts or TikTok fitness queens chasing clout? Here's the move: build a customer avatar. Write down their age, job, fears, and where they scroll all day. Then dig into data, use Instagram Insights or Google Analytics to see what they click on. I saw a startup selling sustainable bags triple their sales by laser focusing on eco-warrior millennials with edgy ads. Mess this up and you're shouting into the void. Get it right and your audience will eat out of your hand. Second, crank up your digital marketing to beast mode. If your business isn't popping off online, you're already extinct. Your customers are glued to YouTube, TikTok, or LinkedIn, so go where the party's at. Pick one platform your audience loves and own it. Selling to CEOs. LinkedIn's your spot. Got trendy products? TikTok's your playground. Drop short, addictive videos, think 15-second hooks or value bombs, and don't sleep on ads. A 20-a-day Instagram ad can test what slaps. I know a guy who scaled his coffee brand by running 30 TikTok ads with baristas doing latte art. Sales went nuts in 2 weeks. Track every click, dump what flops, and double down on winners. Stop guessing, start slaying. Third secret: stop winging it and build systems that run like a Ferrari. Chaos skills growth. Whether you're solo or have a squad, get your operations silky smooth. Use tools like Notion for tasks or Calendly to book calls without the back and forth. Automate the boring stuff. Set up email replies with MailChimp or schedule posts with Buffer. A clothing brand I worked with saved 20 hours a week by automating order tracking. That's 20 hours to hustle, not scramble. Map out your sales, customer service, and delivery processes. Make them so tight you could run your business from a beach. Systems aren't sexy, but they're your ticket to freedom. Number 4, craft. A brand that's magnetic. People don't buy products, they buy vibes. Your brand's gotta tell a story that sticks. Why'd you start? What's your mission? Share that on your website, your posts, everywhere. Show the messy stuff to your late night grind or your team's coffee runs. Keep your logo, colors, and tone consistent, like Apple's sleek minimalism or Red Bull's adrenaline rush. A local gym I know blew up by posting raw workout clips and client transformations on Instagram. Be real, be bold, and show up every damn day. A killer brand turns strangers into superfans. Fifth, bet on yourself. The fastest growing businesses are led by people who never stop leveling up. Read Think and Grow Rich or binge the Gary Vee audio experience. Take a $99 Udemy course on ads or leadership. If you've got a team, invest in them to send them to a workshop or buy them a Skillshare sub. A tech startup I saw doubled revenue after their CEO took a sales course and fired up the team with a new playbook. Your brain's your biggest asset, so keep it sharp. No excuses, growth starts with you. Now the bonus secret: treat your business like a lab. Test everything. New product, launch it to a small group first. New ad, run 2 versions and see which converts. Use tools like Voo to track website clicks. A pet store I know boosted sales 30% by testing a red buy now button over a blue one. Tiny changes, massive results. Never get comfy, always tweak, test, and optimize. That's how you stay ahead. Alright, Businessuper fam, that's the blueprint to crush it in 2025. If you're fired up to grow, smash that subscribe button and join the squad. Drop a comment, what's the first secret you're running with? Thanks for rocking with me. Let's build that empire together. See you in the next one.